Hi, I'm Jim Zwack from the Davey Institute, North America's premier tree research laboratory, and today we're talking trees. Our palm trees face some extreme weather during the year, from the hot summer sun to severe storms and hurricanes. In order to stand strong, they need the right balance of nutrients in the soil in order to keep their roots healthy. Today, I'm joined by one of our local experts, ISA certified arborist, Ben Wazalewski. So Ben, what can we do to help our trees thrive?
Thanks, Jim. As you mentioned, sandy soils and extreme weather can create deficiencies in trees. If your palms aren't looking as vibrant as they used to, consider contacting your local arborist to perform a soil test to see if there are nutrients your palms are missing. If palm fronds look discolored or misshapen, they could be lacking potassium, magnesium, or boron. If the tops look frizzled or crimped, that could be a sign of manganese deficiency. Once you find out what your tree is missing, you can replenish these lost nutrients with a slow-release fertilizer made specifically for subtropical trees. Slow-release fertilizers deliver the perfect amount of nutrients to your trees over several months. Your trees will receive nitrogen, potassium, as well as magnesium and manganese as time goes on. Here at Davey, we've created a specially formulated fertilizer for palms that provides these depleted nutrients. Arbor Green Xtra Plus B is delivered right to the tree's root zone via soil injections so it can be absorbed by the roots. This may also provide some soil aeration benefits to help reduce soil compaction. We recommend fertilization multiple times a year due to these deficiencies. However, it is best to consult with your local arborist to get a recommendation on the timing of your treatments.
Thanks, Ben. If you think your palms may be suffering a nutrient deficiency or have any other questions or concerns about your landscape, contact your local professional arborist for an inspection. As always, thanks for talking trees.